All right, we are going to look at Dragon Chain. So I don't think I've ever heard of Dragon Chain. And this thing has been out for a very long time. And we can see here, I got two Fibonacci's already on the chart here on the weekly candles. And notice going from this high in March of 2021 to the low, you can see we have our 618 here. And then on the much more macro Fibonacci I have on the chart going from without using this scam wick here, you can see going from the high all the way back in January of 2018, we are smacking right into our 382. So that's a big price here to get over. If this thing can get over that, she's going to be officially macro mega bullish, and maybe this thing's going to finally go up and break the high from 2021 here, where you can see all these candles got stuck. So big price to watch here. We're going to go ahead and get the much larger Fibonacci off of the chart. And we're just going to focus on the smaller one here. And you can see going from the high to the low, 618 price at 81. And like I've already said, that's your big price to beat here. If you can get over 81, that 618, she may start going to the moon here. You will officially be in a bull run over that price, in my opinion, because you're going to break this much smaller 618 and the much larger 382. So big price here for Dragon Chain. Like I said, I've never heard of this one before, but it is what it is. Let's go ahead and move this over so I can see the prices. And to simply say that as long as you are over the point, the 0.5 at 4.7, you have the potential to push through that 618 here. So measuring this thing where it is right now, potentially a 34% drop to support here. So keeping it real simple, I would watch 4.7 here as long as you stay above that, which you can see here, it does look like extremely bullish right now. And once you break over 8.1, this thing's going to start having some green candles spawn in here. Now, before we end this, we'll go down to a smaller chart. We'll look at the Heikin-Ashi candles here, which you can see are still printing green, but there's shadows all over the place. But if we go down to the daily chart here, you can see we have one spawning in with no shadow. So it looks good right now. I mean, it's trying, in my opinion. It's stuck at resistance, at heavy resistance, I might add. And it's all going to depend on if it can hold support and then break through that price. So going back here to the 3-day chart, and you can see that it poked its head right above that 618 there, but ultimately it's getting stuck there, especially on the weekly candles. I think you need a weekly close over this price, just because due to the fact that on that much larger Fibonacci, that is your 382. So we need a weekly close over 81, and then Dragon Chain here is going to the moon, in my opinion. So we will leave it at that on Dragon Chain. Just keep an eye on those prices. Not financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck. And we will see you in the next update. Peace out.